Are you wondering if YouTube TV can replace Netflix? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and help you understand whether YouTube TV is a viable alternative to your favorite streaming service. If you're looking for movies, shows, and on-demand content, you'll want to hear this. YouTube TV and Netflix serve different purposes, so whether YouTube TV can replace Netflix depends on your viewing preferences. YouTube TV is primarily a live TV streaming service, offering access to over 100 channels, including live news, sports, and entertainment, along with a library of on-demand shows and movies from select networks. It also includes unlimited DVR storage, so you can record live TV to watch later. However, its on-demand library is much smaller compared to Netflix's vast catalog of original series, documentaries, and blockbuster movies. Netflix, on the other hand, focuses entirely on on-demand content and doesn't offer live TV. It's known for its high-quality originals like Stranger Things and The Crown, as well as a wide variety of genres catering to all audiences. If your priority is binge-watching shows or exploring a massive library of content, Netflix is likely the better choice. But if you value live TV and don't mind a smaller on-demand selection, YouTube TV could complement or even replace Netflix for some users. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV can replace Netflix, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.